Well, we're at the Llano County Courthouse, the historic Llano County Courthouse, and they are getting ready for their 250th celebration, as we all are. And they wanted to get some repair work done, and they had an emergency situation where they had a leak, and it was coming right down on the jury box during court. So it was kind of necessary to get out here as soon as possible and get things done as quickly as possible. What we thought was going to take 3 or 4 days, well, we finished up in 2. We replaced a lot of the slate tiles, did some copper replacement, and basically got them watertight again, which was the most important thing. Big shout out to Llano County and the folks here for helping us out, providing a boom lift for us and giving us someone to operate it. So we're all wrapped up, and they're ready for their 250th celebration. And when it rains next time, the jurors aren't going to get wet this time. So we're pretty happy to be able to do that for them. And again, big shout out to them for being so helpful to help us help them out.